Happy Wednesday morning, April 1st.
Hey Dad, you want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
Do you hear the kid napping in the park?
Was a kidnapping in the park? What happened?
They woke him up.
They woke him up. Oh boy. All right. Happy Wednesday. Here's the plan for today. You guys check out your week at a glance. We have now finished that first column on the left-hand side right here. We are now into the middle column for Wednesday and Thursday. Your goal is to get as much done today on this as possible and then have a little bit to work ahead either on for tomorrow or Friday as well on this column. So, and on today's stuff, all you guys need to know is the only difference from yesterday is in now our lit circles. You'll start being able to read your book. So somebody here will be reading The Incredible Journey, Chapter 1, and answer comprehension questions. So when you guys go into Schoology, you'll find our home class. Here's ELA. In ELA, you'll find lit circles and would pick whichever book you are. Here's The Incredible Journey. You can listen to the audiobook or you can just read it yourself. And then you'll have the Incredible Journey comprehension questions. This one you don't have to take a picture of because it's a Google Doc. You'll just end up typing it right into it right here. This is where you will answer your questions. Okay? Gain access to it as you guys go later. All right, so that is for your literacy today. Remember, you're still reading AR for 25 minutes. You can do that later today or right away. It doesn't matter when you do it. Your math video is 9.5. You'll still be taking pictures, uploading it right into Schoology. Dare, don't have to take a picture of it because it doesn't say anything down below. It just says write your second paragraph now. If you already worked ahead, that's awesome. Maybe work on your Dare video for number 3 so you don't have to do it Friday. And then Liberty's Kids, episode 2, make sure you are writing 3 to 5 sentence summary. That can be just right on a notebook, and then you can upload that right into Schoology as well because it says it down below here. So hope you guys have a great day. The only change there is those lit circles. We will have our survival fact of the day for 9:15, and we'll start beginning that fun stuff. Anything else to say? Anything funny? Nothing funny? Okay. All right. Have a wonderful day.